Hello guys, welcome to my channel, NexTutorial. Today I will be giving you a brief tutorial on how to connect and view your GoPro camera on your device. It works for iPhones or Galaxies or any other Android device. What you will need to do to connect it, you will need to download the app. So you just go to the App Store, you can download the app. Once it's downloaded, you just open up the app and you just wait until it loads up. You just get started, then you agree the terms and conditions, the legal stuff, agree, and allow notification if you want to. Connect your camera. Then you will need to select what camera you have, and the one I got right here is a Hero Session. You just select that, click yes. Once you do that, it will give you like step by step on the screen how to do it. So you press that bottom button. It's not gonna find it because you wanna keep pressing until you get to add new device. You click the red button, then you click one more time for app. Then you try again. It will start pairing your GoPro to your device. So I'm gonna rename the GoPro name and set up a password. And this is the password you will need later in the tutorial to connect your GoPro camera. I have to rename it as well. Take a sec. Next, GoPro. You can't use spaces, so once you do that, you go back to settings to your Wi-Fi connection. It will find your GoPro. So okay, I'm just going to turn it off. Turn off Wi-Fi, turn it back on. GoPro. Then I will put the password in the same one I set up on the app itself. Oh shoot, I think I put the wrong password. It's not going to go through. So let's see until it fails, then we'll just re-enter the passcode. Dismiss. If you forgot what you put, you can go back to the app and you'll see it on the screen over there. So I'm just going to re-enter it. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, join. Once that connects, you go back to the app. So it's connected. Then you click on you tap on the picture of the camera, and it'll start viewing. And this way your camera is connected and you can view live. This concludes our tutorial for today. Please guys, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button to support the channel. Thank you guys for watching.